Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the short-term time frames of Bitcoin, let you know, in my opinion, what I think is going on. And right here with Bitcoin, there's a couple ways you can look at this. Right here, this could be an A, and it coming down into a diagonal for a C, or this is all the third wave, and it's completing a fifth wave. Just not really gonna know until it's done. I have seen waves like this. So what happens with assets, especially when they come near the bottom? I'm not saying that this is a bottom. What I'm saying is that you have assets, especially in the cryptocurrency market. You can see them. They happen in traditional financial markets too, and they do a 2, and they come down onto a 3, and then they zoom. They're coming down to their bottom and forming that. And what the fifth waves does, what the fifth waves do is they just slow up, and they just slowly do something kind of like that right over there. And they just slow up and just barely go past the third wave and find that bottom over there, just real slow. The selling momentum, just the momentum is getting going slow. So that's one way to look at that, which is this 1, 2, 3, and then possibly 4 here. So then this is your diagonal, whether it started here or here, not sure. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, maybe another 1, 4, 5, something like that. That could be a possibility. Either way, this is more than likely a diagonal, guys. Somehow in here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like so. Some type of diagonal, more than likely. It's called an ending diagonal. So it's either ending something on a fifth wave, or this is the A, B, C. If this is A and this is B and this is making a C wave, that's bullish. That's bullish, guys. The reason why I say that would be bullish is because if you take a retrace on this leg and you go right to the top at 786, it went up on 5. If it corrected in 3 waves, I'm not saying it is. Don't want to put any hopium out there, okay? If that's a 3-wave move, which I don't think that it is, then it came down and retraced 786, which is a very good area for a second wave target, guys. So either way, just let it play out. If it's a 5-wave, then more than likely if this is the whole completion of 5, we got a B, okay, and then it could go up to there and then come down in the C. We're just not going to know yet, guys. So this to me is good news for Bitcoin, because the reason why I say that this is good news for Bitcoin is one of the dilemmas that I had looking at some of the other assets. As an example, I want to show you something right here with MicroStrategy that's dumping right now, right? So my concern with MicroStrategy is, like, how is it going to dump without dumping Bitcoin too, right? So MicroStrategy can dump more than Bitcoin because it's more volatile. So it can come down. MicroStrategy can come down all the way down here, 33%, and Bitcoin could drop, say, 12%. So that was my dilemma. But what Bitcoin is doing right now, let me go back to my chart. What Bitcoin is actually doing right now is doing a favor to the crypto markets, because it's coming down and it's bearish. So all the downward pressure momentum is down. So all the altcoins that needed to finish a correction are able to finish a correction. You know, as an example, like another one that I was looking at is A0 is down to my target now, dollar, right in that dollar area. And Bitcoin was able to just basically take that pressure, the momentum, and go down like that and make all these other assets that needed to finish their correction. And best of it all, guys, the best of it all that I think, in my opinion, is it's a bloodbath over in the Dow Jones and NASDAQ and the S&P and the SPY, et cetera. All these over here having a bloodbath, and Bitcoin is just going like nice and down in that diagonal, guys. It could be one more touch there, one more touch there. Coming down to suss that out. You know, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it could be started right there. That was the 4th wave, or a B wave, and it could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So, like I said in my previous videos, about yesterday, as a matter of fact, I said we could be right in this area for the next 2 or 3 days, guys, just hanging out, going down just like that. So it's either a C wave, or this is a 3rd wave, and it's making multiple sequences on 5th waves. So not too sure about that one. You know, because what I have to do is you have a 1, 2 up here, maybe another one, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then it goes 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5, 4, 5. They can't do that. So, contrary to what some other people would say, they can't do that. All right, guys, that's the end of my update on Bitcoin. I just want to do that because people see that it's going down. They're starting to go, oh my gosh, it's just going down, down. This is actually good news in my opinion, guys. I think Bitcoin has given the market a gift, particularly for the traditional finance markets. And the reason I say that is they can dump, let them dump, dump, dump. And then Bitcoin can just slowly grind right down here, back down to 19,000 more or less, right? While the S&P 500 just goes into its cascading dump and pleases the Fed, if you know what I mean. All right, guys, that's the end of my video. If you made it all the way to the end, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.